Like, subscribe, and get notified.
The matter is in the High Court, so I cannot directly comment on it.
पण स्टेटमेंट किती तुम्ही
Statement was is already given. So
But
that
the illegal-
that is given as per the direction of the court. So I have to give my statement because that is the main road which comes from Calangute to SIOLIM. So I have given my statement, and it will be given to the court by them. So I cannot directly tell you.
But illegal tree cutting is happens for that.
See, permission, as per my knowledge, permission was given by the department of forest. Permission dila, that permission is already being shown to the High Court by the village panchayat. All permission. Other than permission left sale, that did not come to the notice of the PWD or panchayat or the tree cutter or the contractor, whoever it is. So everybody is scared. So let the statement be given to the court. Let the court decide. एक कितें आहलें, एक जो तर झाडां आतां कोण येयलो आनी झाडां मारीत गेलो आनी ते कांयच परमिशन ना. हे सगळें परमिशन मागलेलें, परमिशन दिल्लें आनी परमिशन लॅप्स जालें. हे तीन गोष्टी आहेत.
But after
Best
that,
judge is the High Court because the matter is in the High Court.
but after lapse, the tree cutting has been happened, sir.
लॅप्स जालें म्हणजे डेट एक्सपायर जाली न्हू, तेजे उपरांत कट जाली. पयलीं थोडी कट जाली, तेजे उपरांत जी आहली ती लॅप्सान कट जाली अशें म्हणून एलिगेशन आहा.
सर गव्हर्नमेंट जाग्यावर सर जी अशी
Sir, but why they are blaming for you, sir? But sir, एक second. Sir, एक second. अरे
नाही मरे सपले मरे
नहीं नहीं बाइट बाकी है मेरा.
अरे तुमच्या इथून माझ्या म्हणून मरे चल पुढे चल.
Watch on Herald TV.